just give you a little example, like a perspective of what I saw. Like I said, we are not here to criticize anybody. You know, we say our own still too good, but at all now. With this smile on our face, we will not say kaki no be leather. So see, some people, when they go outside, the way they talk about their man, the way they talk, not even maybe husband or boyfriend, you want shit for where you sit down. Of course. You understand? They will tell you that the things that man did not even do or say.
Did it for them.
Yes, they will say, oh, my man did this, my man did. You can't even get headache. You will go to salon, especially this period when salon they full. Some people will just go into a salon that they don't even know anybody there, but immediately they say 2 is a friend, 3 is a crowd. Immediately 3 or 4 people are there. You will see some, they just open up, what you never ask them when they talk. They will just start saying, oh, my guy wants to buy me this one. My guy just bought me a land in Lekki. This one, my God. Welcome back to our channel. How are you guys doing? Welcome back to our channel. We say a very, very, very big thank you to all our returning subscribers. God bless you. And just in case you are seeing this video for the first time, please hit on that subscribe button, you know now, and put up the post notification bell to get notified whenever we put up a new video. And to Tracy,
thank you guys. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Violet Bass or Tracy Christie. Anyone, you're highly welcome. Thank you for your love, your support. God bless you all. So without wasting time, we're going to be diving into the matter. We bring us come. Like seriously, we need to talk about it. That is why we are here. So we are not what I say. You can pick sense out of what we're going to say. You might not pick everything, but I believe you can pick sense, few things from what you are going to say. So you and I, or some person close to you is facing the same thing, but they might not know what to do or what to think. But after watching this video, I believe they might find solution to their problem. So that is what we are about to talk about. So watch the end of this video. Don't skip any part because it's very important.
Out of nonsense that is going on in the society at the moment. So guys, the topic of this video is suffering and smiling. Like the things that are going on, what our sisters are going through, and you will not see it on their face, but inside of them, they are going through hell. So we decided to come and talk about it because we've seen a lot.
Yes, very, very.
We are not here to criticize anyone,
no,
but we've seen a lot. So many people are going through some circumstances like you can't even know about. Their physical appearance, you'll be like, oh, I want to be like this lady.
Yeah.
Like, I want to go out of my marriage. Oh my God, see how her husband is taking good care of her. Oh, see how the boyfriend just bought her a new this and blah blah. My dear sister, see now where you don't go, now you don't reach home.
Oh, packaging.
Oh, no, packaging. Like, people are suffering and smiling at the same time. So let's hear from Tracy what she has to say.
You said it all. That's true, because a lot of people today, this word packaging, it's taking something else.
Yes.
There are some people suffering inside their relationship, but when they come out after putting a lot of makeup, putting on beautiful clothes, you just see their smile. You say, this person is enjoying. This person, I want to be like this person. Don't always pray you want to be like that person, because you don't know what that person is passing through.
Yeah.
So because there are some wrong prayers, some people pray at times, I want to be like this person. No, pray to be yourself, because you don't know what that person is facing inside the marriage.
Exactly.
Because today everybody wants to get married, everybody wants to, I don't know, we all are just in competition.
See,
I don't know.
Sorry Tracy, do you know that even at this moment, this festive period, this season, like Christmas season, you will see some people, they just want to show off. Like, they want to show off. When they go to church, they want to show off. And if deep inside you, you'll be like, wow, look at this dress that this lady just wore. You don't even know what she's passing through inside.
No, that is it.
If she has gone to buy that clothes on credit. Yes, so
the credit part is even good. Some will go to the shop and get a dress. Like, seriously, they don't even take the label off. They'll still put on that.
They'll put the label particular dress and how much it costs. These things are not, these are worldly things. You understand? Don't kill yourself for anybody. The marriage or the relationship you are seeing outside, you don't know what they are going through inside. You just have to know. If you reach some people's house and then you go sit and God say, God, I thank you for my own. If you see how some people, how some marriages and relationships are, you just keep thanking God for the place where you are. You even think, oh my God, I don't tire for this relationship. Oh, I'm tired of this marriage, my dear. If you go to other people's house, their home, you'll be very, very thankful for the one that you are. So some people are just, as in, is their what will I say? Is their kind of life. They do suffering and smiling. They are suffering and they are smiling at the same time. When they go in public, when they go to public, you will see smile all over their face. But immediately they take their home key and open that door, everything don't change. Tracy,
I think is what they will I say is what they bargain on. You understand? So I think for me, I feel before you go into a relationship, you need to watch it very well.
Yeah.
Or in the aspect of marriage, yes. Like our society today, a lot of people just want to get married without even understanding the man you're going to get married to or the woman you're going to get married to.
Exactly.
So the first thing is you understanding that person. If there's understanding in relationship, no matter the thick and cook, any whatever you're passing through, you guys can pass through it when there is understanding. But when there is no understanding, when things fall apart, the true character of each other is going to come out.
See, let me just give you a little example, like a perspective of what I saw. Like I said, we are not here to criticize anybody. You know, we say our own still too good, but at all now. With this smile on our face, we will not say kaki no be leather. So see, some people, when they go outside, the way they talk about their man, the way they talk, not even maybe husband or boyfriend, you want shit for where you sit down.
Of course.
You understand? They will tell you that the things that man did not even do or say.
Did it for them.
Yes, they will say, oh, my man did this, my man did. You can't even get headache. You will go to salon, especially this period when salon they full. Some people will just go into a salon that they don't even know anybody there, but immediately they say 2 is a friend, 3 is a crowd. Immediately 3 or 4 people are there. You will see some, they just open up, what you never ask them when they talk. They will just start saying, oh, my guy wants to buy me this one. My guy just bought me a land in Lekki. This one, my God. And within them, they are suffering. So we are here to tell, and even we that are even saying, don't look outside. Like you want to see what people are doing or their expression, and you are crying within you, my dear. You might be better than these people. I'm telling you, you might be better than these people. I'm putting it up to you there. You might be better than these people. Don't look at anybody facial expression. Don't look at what they are doing, like their expression. If they are smiling all day, or they feel prestige of their man or their boyfriend outside. My dear, the one that you have, manage it. Repair them. You understand? And shoe when they repair, let they let wear.
Of course.
You understand? Yeah. Shoe when they repair, now they let wear. You don't come into my home and know how I'm doing. Likewise, me, I didn't come into your house to see how you are doing. So just stop this. I won't be what my mates be. I want to be what my mates. I want to do what my mates are doing.
And you know that is how some people ruin their relationship
or
their marriage.
Exactly.
They feel, oh, because I see this person, the way this person talk to the husband or talk to the wife, I want to do the same thing.
You are in spirit.
Yes, and you are forgetting something that person is not the same person with you at home.
At all.
It cannot work because they are 2 different people.
Yes.
You can't, because Mr. B talks to the husband like this, then you just say that is how I want to talk to my husband like that.
It doesn't work that way.
You're ruining your marriage or relationship. So you should stop looking at people, and those people who are pretending, stop pretending, please.
Stop suffering and smiling.
Be real.
1 minute.
Be real.
2 minutes.
You see some women facing domestic violence now.
Today, yeah.
You ask them now. You see them and they have scars in their body or whatever. You ask what happened.
Oh, they're injured. Something just fell on my face.
You understand?
And
these are the people that will come out and will still tell you, my husband, he doesn't play with me, he take care, he pamper me, he do this.
I wish we can continue with this topic because there is lots more to say about this suffering and smiling things. Please, the year is coming to an end. Like we are in the last days of the month of December 2020. That's why we are saying
2021 with this kind of
thing.
mindset.
If you dey suffer for anywhere, my dear, open up.
No, speak out.
Speak out.
In any relationship we are into, we need to work on ourselves. Understanding matters a lot. It matters. If there is understanding, there is communication in relationship.
Yeah.
I don't think they will be smiling and suffering and smiling. Yeah. No. Because believe it or not, relationship has ups and downs.
Exactly.
None
is perfect.
No.
None is perfect.
No.
So we just have to take the imperfection to become perfect. That is it. Yeah, everyone have his or her ups and downs. So let's stop this suffering and smiling. You know what I'm talking about.
Of course.
You know what you are facing. You know what you are going through. Stop suffering and smiling. It's for your own good. You will look more younger. You will look more beautiful. If your inner mind is at peace. Yes, some people, they are just walking, but their inner mind is not at rest, as in they are going through some I don't know, is it drama, or I don't know, they are going through a lot inside them. Let's stop suffering and smiling. Yeah, we women, we should stop suffering and smiling. Suffering and smiling is a lot. I think we are coming for the part 2 of this video. Yeah, it's a lot.
Stop allowing other people brainwash you
with what they don't even enjoy the topic. And if you want us to do more of this collaboration together, like this sitting down video together, this talk show together, please let us know in the comment section. And if you have any topic to bring for us to talk about, you can as well put it on the comment section. So Tracy, over to you.
So we did this video because the year is coming to an end. We don't want you to use that mindset to enter 2021. So change. If you are that woman, if you are that man who is smiling suffering and smiling at the same time,
please
stop
change
it.
your mindset.
Check your character, check where you are getting it wrong. So it's not that glitters that are gold. So work on your marriage. It's going to work. For you to accept that person the first time that yes, I want to marry you, then you need to know that you have a lot of work to work.
Exactly.
You have to pick his bone. You understand? That's the wrong side. You think, oh, this place, I hate it. That's the place you need to work on that person. So don't think everything is perfect. You are just going to a marriage having that mindset that everything is going to be sweet. I lie you. If they not tell you one down and lie.
Exactly.
Because there are sometimes you feel bad. You say, I want a day relationship. This guy was not like this. Yes, it happens. So use your brain. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. We love you and we wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year in advance. Please do hit on the subscribe button. Check on put up notification bell as well, so that you will get notified whenever we both put up a new videos. God bless you guys. Bye.